Yo, he's really pulling me over again. I'm gonna video him again for the... You're on video, sir. I'm videotaping this entire thing. I haven't told you which testing station I'm taking my automobile to for inspection.
Are you going for an inspection?
I haven't told you. I've revoked my right. I don't want to speak to you because you're corrupt. You want to give me another ticket? Let Zangy figure it out like you said. I want your body cams to figure it out. I'm not playing with you anymore. You want my inspection and registration? Here's all my stuff. I got my license. You want to give me a ticket? You have them on you. If not, then let me be on my way. You're detaining me illegally.
Michael, you have an expired inspection, man.
Are you going to detain me illegally, or do you have a ticket on you? Are you going to send them in the mail?
Give me your registration.
Okay, here you go.
I don't know why you just don't get your vehicle.
Please don't speak to me. I don't want to speak to you. I remain silent. I don't want you to talk to me. I don't want to talk to you. Please respect the constitutional rights in our Constitution. I thank you.
All right.
Driver's license,
All right.
insurance, and registration. And in a timely fashion, either issue me a ticket or let me leave the scene. I don't want to talk to you. I don't need to hear your voice anymore. Just issue me my ticket and let me leave the scene. I thank you for your being actually civil and constitutional, which you're not. 8-3 and 8-11, your body cams are going to come out. You're going to get arrested and indicted. I've already filed paperwork. Don't look at me like that. I'm waiting for my ticket. Are you going to issue me a ticket or am I leaving the scene?
All right, I'll be right back with you.
Don't take your time. You're detaining me illegally, sir. I'm on my way to a service station. Illegal police. Illegal. 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 Illegal.
Are you on your way to getting an inspection?
Illegal.
If you're getting an inspection right now, I'm not...
I've revoked my remains. If you want to issue a ticket...
Mike, calm down.
I'm not calm down. You violated my rights and illegally towed my car.
No, I didn't. Listen.
Yeah? Why'd you tow my car on 811?
You're going to go get it.
811, why'd you tow my car if I had insurance and registration and a license?
You told me you had 30 days to get it. Listen.
You gonna show the body cam?
Yes, I have it.
You're gonna show it before Monday, so I don't have to waste my time going to court?
Yeah, you can come up to the office.
I can come to the office, you'll see the body cam.
You want to go right now? You want to go right now?
I'll bring my liaison. I'll meet you there in a little while. Let me have my stuff back.
Are you going to go get this?
Yes, I follow the law, unlike you. I'm a lawful citizen. I pay my taxes, and I know the law. I'm not going to get any one ticket that you've issued. I am righteous, and I am legal. I wish to remain traveling. If you want to detain me further, I don't want to talk to you. I wish to remain silent. Of course I'm going to an inspection station.
Right now you are. If you are, I won't.
It's testing the vehicle or inspection. Is legal to drive without legal inspection. I'm trying to get my inspection passed. You are detaining me unlawfully and illegally. My right is to leave. If you want to issue me a citation, then do it. If not, stop talking to me.
I don't want to issue you a ticket if you're going there now.
I've already answered you 3 times. If you're hard of hearing, you need a hearing aid, sir.
Where are you going? Where are you getting inspected at? Where are you headed to?
881 Kimberly.
Where are you headed to? That way I can just...
You can't ask me where I'm headed to. I've asked to remain silent. Issue the ticket, sir. You're detaining me unlawfully.
Calm down.
You're unlawfully detaining me. I'm not talking to you anymore, man. I have to tell you that 16 times. I don't want to talk to you. What an asshole, dude. Like, he just wants to hold me up and play games and shit. That's cool. We can play games. That's what you said on the precinct phone on the 11th when I called for my car. You want to play games. Fucking games, huh? We'll see what games played when you judges look at your constitutional and civil rights you violated. You're a joke, man. You're a fucking joke. I can't believe you're law enforcement. This fucking... I'm not going to say anything bad about law enforcement. We need them. If you go to a country that has anarchy or any kind of shit like that, you won't want to be around them shenanigans. That shit's crazy, man. I've gone to some places that, are pretty intense. But this man here, this man's soft as baby shit. I want to get him a Mr. Softy Cone. I know he don't know Taekwondo. The way he was acting on 83 and 811 with his body cam, he was like a 4th grader to 7th grader, how he'd like want to bump chests. Like, if your chest could bump mine or harder or something, like you win the little rhinoceros thing. You're like, I'm not joking. Like, that's what he was doing on his body cam. It's not even funny. It's gonna be deadly serious for him. Not deadly, but I mean, like, job altering, because he's just fucking an asshole, man. There's no reason for him to pull me over all the time. I have no, I didn't fuck his ex-wife, but you know what? I'm gonna call her now. I'm gonna make sure. Just, you're doing all this to me for no reason, just because you're spiteful, just because, what, you got a little dick, or you can't get laid, or what's your fucking problem, Detective Effenbauer? Like, what is your fucking deal? I'm not gonna get to put this on YouTube. Maybe I'll play this in court on Monday, and we're gonna see how long you detain me. You know my license is valid. You know my insurance is valid. You know my fucking car's registered to me. You know I live up here and own the house outright. I have no loans, no mortgages. I'm a tax-paying citizen. I'm a student that's gotten 2 degrees, 2 certificates, and yeah, man, there's no way you can take away my license, my real estate license. So yeah, 2 degrees, 2 certificates, and a license in the last 20 years. But because my marijuana felony won't go away, I can't get a job. So because this douchebag is a douchebag and pays people off and does crazy criminal things, he wants to I don't know, just to be enriched off of the poor in Johnstown, knowing Johnstown's poor people, and you're doing something with Eastmont illegally like you're doing, you're a piece of shit. Oh, look at the lantern fly. We're finally getting some lantern flies here. You're bottom of the barrel, man. Like, nobody's gonna have, you know what I'd like to see happen? Him put in Cambria County Jail and put it on the front page, and just let people, like, let half the guards call off work for sick. Cause you know what, man, karma's a bitch. You're gonna get yours in return. I have no qualms about this ticket. All he's doing is wasting my gasoline and furthering my civil lawsuit against him. Because you lose your immunity as an officer when you violate civil and constitutional rights. And he's purposely gone out of his way to violate my rights all the time. You know what I mean? Like, just, I don't even know this fucking douchebag, but he's just Detective Douchebag, man. I just can't understand how someone could be such an asshole, but I guess he got beat up in school, or he's got a little dick and doesn't get pussy. His ex-wife would probably have more explanation. I don't know if she want to go on the record. Maybe his kid already has a kid. I don't want to really bring family into it, but I need some more insight, and I'm angry. Like, this is disturbing to have your law enforcement do things that are illegal and not justifiable. He's not going to have a leg to stand on 8-3 and 8-11. He's not going to let me watch them fucking tapes, man. There's no fucking way. That's why he wanted to play the game with me talking to him. Next thing you know, oh, I think you're inebriated. Like, he gave me 4 field sobriety tests the other day. Bro, I don't use drugs, man. I don't drink alcohol. I don't purchase it. You can't find it on me. I mean, Price was in my bushes the other night. Maybe he wants to plant some on me. How many minutes are we coming up on? 7 minutes. I mean, that's a lot of time, dude. 8 minutes, 7:51 for a ticket, for an inspection, for what? Like, hashtag bad detective. Oh, at 8 minutes, he's finally gonna bring my ticket. He's gonna tell me he doesn't have a ticket. I don't know what his deal is. I just don't want to hear his voice. Can't wait till he's fired, indicted, cuffs on his fucking wrist.
All right.
I don't need to hear your voice. You have a ticket?
No, I don't have a ticket.
You don't have a ticket? You just wasted my time? Oh, that's nice.
Listen.
I don't want to listen to you. Just give me my paperwork and let me leave. I'm calm.
All right. Here's your driver's information.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. I don't want to talk to you or hear your voice.
I'm giving you a written warning.
All right.
You said you're on your way to get an inspection, so I'm going to give you a written warning. I'm going to give you
8 minutes. We'll see how that works out. Well, okay.
You're getting it done in 8 minutes?
Listen, man, can I have my thing and leave? I don't want to talk to you. My right to remain silent is don't ask me a question.
Okay. This is a written warning. I'm giving you 5 days to get it inspected since you said you're on your way to get inspected, okay?
Should have asked me that the first time.
Okay.
Am I free to leave?
You are. Have a good day.
What a fucking scumbag. He didn't spit on my car this time.